How to hold a successful hybrid meeting? There are 3 things to consider. A presentation system to share screens easily. A wide-range webcam to stream the whole meeting room. And a speakerphone to pick speech from all seats. Here is a solution to get it done. A speakerphone, a webcam, a presentation system, and a wireless dongle. Quick installation and immediate use. Get the BYOD set up on your meeting room's TV. Connect Anyco A5 through USB-C or Bluetooth. The eShare W50 will integrate devices all together. With such a system, a hybrid meeting will go smoothly and hassle-free. Share your screen in every corner. Grab the Type-C cable and connect to your laptop. If the cable is far away, use the wireless connection through AirPlay or Miracast. Or plug and play with a dongle. Screen sharing becomes easy. AV Access Hybrid Conference System. Meet like we are together.